For generations, Mother Nature has nurtured her greenery, preserved her beauty, and safeguarded her people, maintaining harmony and sustaining the cycle of life. Inspired by her, we at HTG have embraced her ways into bringing sustainability, good governance, and social responsibility into our journey of growth with our ever-expanding family. Driven by a commitment to sustainability, we have thoughtfully designed and continuously improved our facilities to minimize the impact on the environment. We at HTG, inspired by Mother Nature, have invested in solar energy and embraced sustainability as a way of life. From harnessing solar energy to investing into automated and modern machines that minimize the power consumption and reduce our environmental impact. Every step we take honors our commitment to a sustainable and greener future. Powered by innovation, we've invested in advanced technologies and automation to reduce energy consumption and improve efficiency. Our certifications, including GOTS and VFEM, reflect our dedication to excellence, with our Green Factory certification and expansion of water treatment plant on the horizon for 2025. At HTG, the safety, social responsibility, and well-being of our workers are our highest priorities. Just as Mother Nature cares for her creations, we have adapted for the healthier environment. Our facility also includes a free clinic staffed with medical professionals available to assist workers at any time. Additionally, we also offer tailored diet plans to support the health and well-being of our pregnant workers. We believe in empowering every individual, regardless of background or ability. By fostering a culture of empathy, respect, and inclusion, HTG creates opportunities for growth and builds a community rooted in diversity and tolerance. Our organization is committed to creating an environment free from discrimination and harm. It is more than just a workplace. It is a space of unity, a home that celebrates diversity and culture. To enhance productivity, we have introduced advanced management systems like ERP system, machine maintenance system, and QMS to improve output efficiency while putting less pressure on their work. We have also integrated modern automated machinery to further increase productivity and reduce physical strain. Our workforce is highly trained to operate these advanced systems with precision and accuracy. Our mission is to implement cutting-edge technologies through a skilled and knowledgeable workforce to offer the highest levels of customer satisfaction while driving sustainable growth through innovation, talent development, and operational efficiency. HTG, located in Ca Mau, is built on a foundation of ethical business practices by providing a safe workspace and rewarding work environment. Our vision is clear: to deliver excellence globally while nurturing our people and the planet. From our factory to the world, HTG delivers quality, sustainability, and care, made with nature's inspiration, made with love.